Okay, so for today's opener, we're only going to focus on the front side. We're not going to worry about the back side. The front side here, the directions say use the fast factor method to factor each of the following. This is a lesson that we took notes on, our final notes on yesterday. We know that we can fast factor each of the following because the first coefficient is 1. If the coefficient was greater than 1, we couldn't, but because the first coefficient is 1, we can go through and just find the MA and then fast factor. So for my first one here, what's my M going to be? And then my A? What's my A? And then what's my MA? What can I multiply together to get 12, then add together to get 8? 2 and 6. So this is the work that I'm going to expect to see on your quiz tomorrow, your final quiz. Okay? Then we're going to come up next to it, and we're going to put our answer. So what is the height going to be? And then the width? What's another way that I could write this? Times. Yeah, either way is okay. Good. Questions on this first one? Okay, Joey, what's my M of my second one here?
3.
And what's my A? 4. Did any of you guys look at this and were like, oh my gosh, I don't have factors for 3? So since 3 is a prime number, what factors are we going to have to use for it? 1 and 3. Because 1 times 3 will be 3. 1 plus 3 will be 4. All right, what's my answer going to be here? G plus 1.
And G plus 3.
G plus 1 and what?
3.
G plus 3. And parentheses. So G plus 1 times G plus 3. Okay, next one. What's my M going to be, Haley?
It's going to be 7.
And my A?
8.
Okay, then what's my MA going to be?
6.
What?
Wait. What do you mean by MA?
What can I multiply together to get 72 and then add together to get 18?
Oh, I said 6. 12.
Oh, I just didn't hear you. You're right. I'm old. Remember, I don't hear things well. Okay, from here, what's my final answer going to be? Finish it off for me.
F plus 6.
H plus 6.
Oh, yeah.
That's all right. I was mixing my variables up all over the place yesterday. And
Plus 12.
good job. All right, who thinks they're up for the negatives? Who thinks they can get the negatives? All right, Darius and Rihanna. All right, Darius, what's my M?
4.
What?
-4.
Okay, and my A?
-6.
Okay. So what's my MA? Do you not have your own?
No.
You're going to want one.
22.
Nope.
Oh.
Would it be 8 and 5? Or 5 and 8?
Nope.
It's not 22. Can't you subtract?
Say it again.
4 and 10.
4 and 10.
Negative 4. Negative.
Oh, let's talk about it. Because my M is a negative, I know one of these factors have to be a negative, right? So I know one of these has to be a negative, so then I come to my A. Because my A is a negative, then my larger factor should be negative. Because 4 plus negative 10 will get me to negative 6. All right, so how do I write my answer?
K plus 4.
Times.
K minus 10.
Okay. Could I put the K minus 10 times K plus 4? Mm-hmm. What's the main thing I cannot mix up, though?
The negative.
The negative and the positive. Yeah.
Go to the back.
No, we're not going to do that. We have one more to do on the front, which I'm going to squish all together, and then we'll move on. Rihanna, what's my M?
130.
My A?
Negative 17.
Okay, what's my MA?
Negative 2. Negative 15.
Why? Explain it to me. You're right. I just want you to explain it to me. Can you?
Because you only have one negative.
Okay. Well, when I multiply these two negatives equal a.
Positive.
Okay. So my m's positive, but my a is negative. If my a is negative, then both of my factors, because my m is positive, have to be negative. That's only if my m is positive. So negative 2 plus negative 15 is negative 17. So my final answer is going to be,
M
M
minus 15.
that's right. Nice job. And box set. Good job.